everyone, tomorrow I am doing something I have never done before. Tomorrow I am going to my first ever work seminar. It is like 3.5 hours from my house. I'm gonna be staying overnight with some friends. The first time ever since becoming a mom, I'm doing a solo overnight. And I was thinking, you know, I don't need a lot. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you how I'm gonna try to pack everything I need overnight for business, the clothes I need, all the equipment I need in one travel bag. This is the travel bag I'm gonna be taking. It's the leisure bag. It has, I'm pretty sure, because I was gonna use, I'll go ahead and show you. I was gonna use this suitcase and I was like, that is too big, but it was one of the smallest suitcases we had. So I decided, you know, I could probably fit everything I need in one bag. So I've already got some in here that I forgot to take out because I'm trying to take it out and just slowly put it back in. That's my jewelry. But I figured I could put toiletries and jewelry and some of my electrical equipment in here, like the phone charger, the camera battery charger, and some of the other things like that in here. In this next pocket, I'm thinking I can put clothes in here. And then in this pocket, it's got two straps right here. I figured, well, I could put the laptop and its charger in here. So I'm gonna try to fit all of this in here. So far, here's what I'm taking. This is my outfit to come home in. I'm actually packing in reverse order so that what I need last is on bottom. This is my pajama set that I'm taking with me. And then this is the outfit that I'm gonna take. It's a nice lightweight shirt with, it's about to my elbow sleeve, so about half sleeve length, and it's gonna have this white skirt with it. It's a Hawaiian seminar. It's being hosted by a Hawaii group to encourage travel agents and to give us up to date on travel information for Hawaii. I'm not 100% sure on footwear yet of what I'm gonna wear there, what I'm gonna wear back. So I've got my ballet flats laid out. I'm really wanting to wear my sandals with the outfit there. I'm planning on moving the shirt to this hanger. Since I'm going by myself, I can put, you know, the outfit in the seat on the hanger beside me. It should be no problem. I have my jewelry right here. I cut out this piece of cardboard from the bedding set after we unfolded it. And all I did was cut out an oval piece and then I stuck the earrings through it. I figured that was an easy way to travel with them. The girls had these plastic straws that they don't use for drinking anymore just because of how bad they are for the environment. I figured I can use and reuse them for packing purposes. So I've kind of got it folded over. It was a little less tangled a minute ago the way I had it. I may have to redo that. And then I have a glasses cleaning cloth. In here is my temporary makeup bag. Honestly, all I have right now is this is all of my lip colors to see. I basically packed all my lip colors that I'm trying out right now to see which one's gonna look best with that. I also got my strawberry Carmex to bring with me. So that's what I've got for the toothbrush. These are the facial wipes I picked up from Dollar Tree. These seem to not break my face out, and it also doesn't like completely soak everything else around me to wash my face and scrubs it pretty well. So I figured those would be better for travel. Then I also got some Gold Bond powder just in case. I've got my moisturizer right here. I wish I had something smaller, but I've yet to find a store-bought moisturizer that works for my face, that doesn't break it out or is not too thick going on my face that it feels hot and heavy and makes me look red and blotchy in the face. And then this is my liquid glasses cleaner. This is the deep blue from doTERRA. I use it for my wrists and for my shoulders after driving for hours. And then I've got the Dove body wash. I've got my Arm & Hammer Essentials with no aluminum, parabens, or that word, deodorant for traveling. My Pantene Pro V, and then my other bottle of Pantene Pro V that I take when traveling. This one was a Q-tip container, and I'm reusing it for my bobby pins. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do my hair for it tomorrow yet. I'm thinking something braid and simple would work. So I'm going to have like half an hour to get ready once I get there if no traffic and everything goes well. I took another Altoids empty container and I put all the tiny hair ties in it. The clear ones have different sizes. The black ones are all tiny with size. But I figured that I could hold all those in there in case I decide to do some multiple braids. I just usually grab this. This is the one from our other toiletries bag for travel. I just grabbed the whole thing and took it with me. Same for the toothpaste. We don't buy travel size toothpaste anymore because we use more than a travel size toothpaste whenever we travel. There's my Q-tips, and then a parting comb and a thing of floss. I also had a thing of plackers. I'll have to find those here in a minute. Then I'm gonna have to take everything essentials that I need out of this bag, put it in here. My computer is actually being used right now. I was doing some business on it earlier, so it's still out right now. But let me get all of this packed up as small as I can, and I'll show you how it looks. I was able to get everything in here. So I've got the computer in here. I've got just enough room to be able to put a couple last minute things on here. I've got my batteries charging for the vlog camera, the charge cords over here. I'm going to be able to stick those down in here and still have plenty of room. I was able to get all of the clothes here in the middle pocket, and even get like some of those things out of my backpack that I needed. Everything is in here in the middle. Toiletries, most of the toiletries. I'll zip that back up in a second. And oh, by the way, thankfully this has wheels on it, because carrying this would so hurt my shoulder. And then this right here, I went ahead and switched to a travel toothbrush. Got my mints. This actually has cough drops in it. Has a little bit of, you know, what makeup I do have. Wallet, jewelry, personal things. So everything did fit in here. So yes, I can fit it all in one travel bag for when I am traveling by myself, which I don't really foresee traveling a lot by myself in the future, but if I do have to, like this time, then at least I know it all fits. It has been a busy day getting ready, getting everything packed, getting the house clean for leaving everybody for 24 hours. I leave tomorrow late morning, and then I should be back the next day late morning, early afternoon. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.